Hello friends, I welcome you all in the introduction session of FRM Preparation Booster course for the self-study students of November 19 edition. In this session, we will discuss three things. One, the content of the package, why it is important for the self-study students, what problems it is solving, and third is the how you can optimize your preparation using this particular course. So we'll start with the first, why we started this particular course when we already provide the full classes. In the month of April and October, which are just 1 month before the exam for the FRM, I get a lot of queries from the self-study students. They say that they are confident about their conceptual clarity, but they are not confident about are they prepared or they are prepared for the exam or not. Now, to know this, first you should have some tools to analyze or to know whether you are prepared for the exam. And in case you are not prepared for the exam, you should have some tools so that you can prepare yourself for the exam. Now, this is in that particular case when students used to ask me personally, like right now also I'm getting a lot of queries regarding the same thing, like how to approach the exam. This is the question, and how to improve their preparation according to the exam. Now, if each and every person asks me, if I keep telling them what to do, first of all, it is ineffective for both of us. And second is, FRM is not that exam where you can simply tell that this book you do and you are done for the particular exam. This is not happening in FRM. Trust me. So result will be 40% all as GAPS from the GAPS previous historical empirical data. And second, everyone is using more or less same books in self-study. If you just make inquiries, okay, with your peers, just ask in any WhatsApp group, they will tell like this is the content they are using. So more or less one or two question bank, one or two books like that. Now, if everyone is using the same content, meaning books are not the problem, books are not going to create a problem for you in exam. This is something else. You need to build your expectation and you need to prepare yourself, and this guidance needs to be given topic by topic. Every topic is different in FRM. Every topic needs a special type of guidance. You need some fundamentals of that topic, you need some tricks. Okay, so you need to understand all those things, and it is not possible for me to explain each and every student in WhatsApp or whatever the means of communication they are using. So we decided to create this package which is very reasonably priced, like I can say the lowest in the industry. This is not even a price, this is just kind of a we want to make sure that everyone can use it, so we are keeping everything very low here, and it is very useful for the students. So it is prepared in a manner that it will never hamper your existing preparation. Okay, so whatever you are prepared, it will not guide you in another type. Okay, so like you don't have to change your question banks, you don't have to change your reading material. Whatever you are doing, you can stick to it, and you can simply add this particular preparation booster package to that preparation, and it will optimize your preparation. Now, how? I will guide you one by one. So first we will start with the introduction of what is the problem which are faced by the students. So if you can relate it, good it is. Okay, so first of all, students are unable to understand the exam's expectations. So once you're done with the concepts, okay, so you understand the concepts, you're done with the practice. Now the major thing which is left in your preparation is building expectation for GAPS exam. Now, problem with this is we don't have question paper in our hand because GAP is not allowing anyone to take question paper out, right? So question papers are secret. So with the secret question paper, how to prepare yourself for that exam, right? So which is very difficult. Second is students are unaware of the important areas for the exam. Now, if you don't know the important area, like the important from every chapter, there are few learning outcomes which are very highly important, others are not that important, like that. So if you don't know all these things, then your revision time will be very high compared to what it should be. Third is the mock test scores. So a lot of students who are preparing well are going to appear for the two mock tests in this month or next month, okay, by the 10th of November. Now the problem is, even if you score 50, 60, 70, what is the conclusion of that score? Your mock test scores are inconclusive. So you are putting 4 hours on that mock test, but still you don't know what to interpret from it. What is your improvement area? Except for like you are making some mistakes and you can simplify, correct all those mistakes. in that particular question itself, but it is not creating a major impact for you. And lastly, they are unable to revise the full syllabus in the limited time span. So again, what will happen if you don't know the important area? It is difficult to understand the focus area, and based on that, you will not be able to revise the complete syllabus in a limited time. I'm talking about like the students who are preparing well and all. Okay, and obviously this is not relating to everyone. So this, if you are relating to it, then it is good. You will be able to understand. Okay, the thing here. Now, what is the content of the package? So first of all, we are giving you the 40 hours of videos in total starting today. Today I'm taking the 5th of September. So starting today till your exam, you have around 260 to 270 hours of preparation. So I'm assuming you are taking leave in the last week, which is 15 hours multiplied with 7, and then 2 weeks or 3 weeks, 2 to 3 hours every day, and on weekends starting now you should study for 10 to 15 hours. Okay, so this is the last month of your preparation. So if you based on this calculation, you have around 260 to 270 hours, and out of those 270 hours, we are giving you the 40 hours video sessions so that you can optimize your preparation. One. And second is the topic wise test. So these tests are available for all important topics. There are around 6 to 20 or 30 questions for each topic. Somewhere wherever it is required, these topics are missed. These are kind of a mini test, so you can understand like what is your preparation level in the individual topic. I will give you the detailed overview of the topic wise test as well, and we are giving you the 3 rounds of mock test. So these are the primary content for the preparation booster package, and we also have around 6 to 7 supplementary contents which will add on to your preparation, but this is the main thing here. Now, the first thing here is 40 hours of Fastrack videos. So first point here is focus area. So how these Fastrack videos will help you? So using these videos, you can decide your focus area. So the videos are recorded in the manner that whatever is the important, which is it is explained well. Whatever is not important, I am emphasizing that this is not important, not testable. Third is whatever is like averagely important, or we can say like not that likely to show up in the exam, it is just touched. Okay, the overview is given. So based on that, you can understand what is a focus area, and you can develop your proper revision strategy or further preparation strategy if you have any topics pending. Second is the revision time. Automatically, if you know the focus area, it will help you in reducing the revision time. So 40 hours will include everything. Okay, this 40 hours video includes theory videos, 10 to 20 minutes theory videos for all 3 topics, and then we have the numerical topics, practical topics, where you have to understand the formula and all. So if you know this in 40 hours, you can revise your syllabus, which is really good, so that you can allocate the remaining time for your other preparation like question solving and all. And then using these videos, I'm continuously guiding on what to expect from the GAP. Okay, so this will help you in building the GAP's expectation for the FRM exam, right? So combining all 3, you get the Fastrack videos of 40 hours. Now next is the topic wise test. So how this topic wise test solves the problem for you? The first is it will help you in checking knowledge topic wise. So again, let me emphasize here. So topic wise test is available or are available only for the important topics. So all the numerical topics, it is not available for pure theory topics. And again, the topic should be like that, numerical topic should be of high importance. If just one question is going to show up from that particular topic, I don't think like there is a topic wise test there. But again, it is happening with 1 or 2 cases, not more than that. Only 1 or 2 chapters will not have topic wise tests, which are minuscule. For most of the topic, we have topic wise test. Next is it will help you in understand. It will give you the every test we are providing here will give you the result analysis. So the analysis is how others performed versus how you performed, and it will, based on your individual score of the test, it will build your quartiles. Okay, so exam quartiles. This is system based analysis, and it shows you that in what quartile you are performing subject wise. So this will guide you on in a way like on what topic you should improve, and second, what subject is not, in what subject you are not doing well, so that you can focus more on that subject. Then last is you can treat these questions, these are around 400-500 questions. You can treat these questions as the additional questions to solve. Okay, so you get those who want additional questions to solve, you get the additional questions to solve. So everything is this complete, all the tests, topic wise tests are available in system. You can use your phone to solve it. These are not time bound tests, so you can take your time. Answers will be shown to you in the same place, okay, after finishing the test. And then you have, this is a topic wise test. Then you have 3 rounds of mock test. Now there are 2 ways to solve mock test. Take 3 mock tests, just solve it, see your score and move on. One. But again, we come from the institute Falcon Edufin, which is not known for just doing anything very simple. Okay, so what we decided, instead of just giving you the 3 rounds of mock test where there is no any conclusion, you just solve questions, and again after solving questions, after getting score, there is not at all conclusion. We decided to create a new approach of solving mock tests for the FRM exam. So now we will conduct 3 mock tests, 3 rounds of mock tests. The first round and second round is compulsory. Third round is optional. If you feel like giving it, give it just for the additional practice. If you don't feel like, don't give it. Okay, that is up to you. But first round, it starts with the level, a certain level, which will, after you solve it, you will be able to understand your problem. Okay, once you solve the questions, once you complete your mock test, whatever is result, you can simply understand based on that result that what is your problem area and where you need improvement. This is the first advantage of the first round of mock test. First round of mock test is subject wise, meaning you don't have to prepare full. We all know, no one, like most of the students are not done with their preparation at this particular point, right? So because we are not prepared, at least what you can do is whatever you are done with, okay, whichever subject you are done with, you can appear for those mock tests. So if you are done with 3 subjects, why to hold complete mock test? Then so you can just appear for 3 mocks, see what you are doing. You can take our guidance, like your score is this, what can be done here. We have complete forum available for that. We have internal system available for that, where you can ask for the feedback on your mock test. So all the mock tests, the round 1, round 2 and round 3 will have exam level questions. Then it will trial, and the proportion is according to the exam only. Okay, so like proportion of difficult to easy questions, proportion of theory to numerical questions, we are trying to balance it, except for the first round of mock. First round of mock is a bit different. We'll explain you when you will solve the mock test, you will understand. Second is the performance analysis with the peers. Every mock test, complete this full round of mocks, will give you 2 type of performance analysis. Where do you stand among the peers? Are you among the top 40 or top 50%? Okay, are you above the top 50% or 40% of the students? If you know this, see, FRM exam is all about getting over 60%. That is, you should be better than the 60% students. So these mock tests will tell you, are you better than the 60%? That to subject wise. So if you know that where you need improvement, if you know this particular information, you can improve yourself in that particular area or that particular subject. Second analysis is again quartile based analysis. It will show you in what quartile you are landing in that test based on your performance. And the third is that is a quartile analysis, obviously. Those are 3 rounds of mock test. Now I will give you the brief overview of round by round. Okay, what we are giving here as in every round. So round 1 starts on 11th of October. So first of all, round 1 is subject wise mock test, concept level mock test. Remember this. In first round of mock test, we are not giving you any tricks. Okay, the questions will not have any tricks. These are simple concept level testing. It can be based on difficult concept, it can be based on simple concept, but all the tests will be concept level only. That's it. The third point is, it is a subject wise. It will show you subject wise quartiles, what you are performing, how you are performing, what is your quartile is the way you get the result in exam. Okay, after for your FRM exam. So then all the tests are time bound. So there will be timer, automatic timer. It will close your test automatically if you are not finishing test in time. Then last is it will give you the performance analysis among the peers, and then the quartile based scoring. Second round of mock is full. It is time bound, again quartile based scoring. But in second round, for all the important and tricky questions, we are giving you the video explanations for all the important questions. Now, all important, what is the important question? Important questions are those questions which I feel are more likely to show up in the exam. So this is, we are giving in the second round of mock test. Third round of mock test is again similar to second round, but just with some different questions, slight change in questions or different questions. Okay, so these are the 3 rounds of mock test. Remember, first and second round is compulsory, and third round is um, not compulsory. Okay, not compulsory as in not compulsory from my side. If you want, you can appear, but my recommendation is appear for all 3 tests. So what is the supplementary content we are providing with this particular package? So you will get flashcard for formulas. These are online system based flashcard. It is available in the demo. If you visit the website is frm360.net. I will give you the link in the description, so just check that link. And second is flashcards for important concepts, right? Then third is the revision booklet. We are giving you the Falcon Edufin's 1 page or 100-page book for the revision. It will be available in e-copy for international students, those are taking from the outside India, and it will be available in physical copy for the Indian students. We will post you physical copy as well. Then chart, we will also provide you charts subject wise, so 4 charts for each subject. So it will, the one chart will summarize complete subject. It is very helpful. And then the formula booklet. So all these are supplementary content which are providing with the your main package. Okay, so generally the price is around, I don't know the exact price, you can expect around 5-6,000. Okay, you have to check the website for that. And then link is available in the description. What we are missing here? Okay, so we discussed all the points here. So that's all about the FRM preparation booster. Take the advantage of this and try to bridge the gap between the GAP's expectation and your preparation, which is most important for this particular exam. You should not miss this. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.